Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from Best Buy, the big electronic retail store. They are hiring a Geek Squad customer care agent. This is remote for the United States, so this is going to be customer service, phone work. I'm trying to mix things up on this channel, throw a little bit of everything out there, so there's something for everyone. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But if you know, Best Buy has a Geek Squad. They have vans and stuff where they have technicians that they'll send out to your house. You will not be leaving your house. But as a customer care agent for that Geek Squad, you're going to resolve delivery and installation issues that the customers have while working remotely from home. You'll deliver resolutions to customers in a timely and satisfactory manner. You'll listen to them and develop the root cause analysis of what caused the issue and escalation to improve the Geek Squad process. You'll work with business partners to resolve any escalations and service level agreement timeframes. You're going to communicate with them when their product or service delays will occur, and you'll create clear and concise, up-to-date documentation. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just 1 year experience in either services, retail, customer service, some kind of related field. Somebody has strong communication skills, and of course, you have to have access to high-speed internet since you'll be working from home. Now, they did not list pay in the job description. It just says that they offer competitive pay. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. But you know me, I did a little bit of digging to find an estimation, and of course, customer service representatives for Geek Squad are estimated per Glassdoor to make anywhere from $34,000 a year all the way up to $45,000 a year. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.